Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. We're so excited to have you here with us today. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out in the kitchen, we've got something special for you. Are you tired of a kitchen that looks like a bomb went off? Do you find yourself constantly battling the chaos of cluttered countertops and dirty dishes piling up? Do you open your pantry and fear an avalanche of stale crackers and ancient spices? Is your pantry a black hole where food goes to expire and never be seen again? Well, fear no more, you donkey. We're here to help you transform your kitchen into a space that you'll love to cook in. Today we're going to turn your kitchen from a disaster zone into a well-run machine. Imagine a kitchen where everything has its place and you can find what you need in an instant. We've got 13 plus life hacks that are going to save you time, save you money, and frankly save your sanity. These tips are tried and tested and we can't wait to share them with you. So grab your notepads and let's get cooking. Get ready to take notes because these hacks are going to change the way you look at your kitchen forever. Let's dive in and start this journey to a more organized and efficient kitchen together. Right, you lot. First up is the freezer. It's often the most neglected part of the kitchen, isn't it? We tend to just shove things in there and forget about them. It's a war zone in most kitchens, bags of frozen mystery floating around like icebergs. You know what I'm talking about, those unidentifiable leftovers from who knows when. But we're going to sort that out. Imagine opening your freezer and actually knowing where everything is. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's about to become your reality. Grab some binder clips, those little metal things you use for paperwork. You probably have a few lying around the house already. Clip them onto the racks of your freezer shelves. Make sure they're secure because they'll be holding the weight of your food. Now hang your freezer bags filled with food or leftovers on those clips. This way, you can easily see and access everything without having to dig through piles of frozen chaos. It's like a filing system for your food. Each bag is neatly hung and easy to find. No more stacking and unstacking to get to what you need. Label each bag so you can actually find what you need. Use a permanent marker or a label maker if you have one. Write down the contents and the date you froze it. No more digging through a frozen tundra, you hear? With this system, you'll save time, reduce waste, and make meal prep a breeze. Your future self will thank you. Those old jam jars and pickle jars, don't you dare throw them out. Clean them thoroughly and for God's sake, remove the labels. Now you can get creative. Paint them, label them, whatever tickles your fancy. These jars are brilliant for storing dry goods like pasta, rice, spices, you name it. It's organized, it's cheap, and it looks a damn sight better than those half-empty bags spilling everywhere. Is your stovetop a greasy, sticky mess? Does it seem like no matter how much you scrub, the grime just won't budge? Don't tell me you're about to attack it with that rusty old sponge. That won't do the trick and might even scratch your stovetop. Instead, let's harness the natural cleaning power of baking soda and vinegar. These common household items are not only effective but also safe and eco-friendly. Start by sprinkling baking soda generously over all the greasy bits. Make sure to cover every nook and cranny where the grease has built up. Now grab your white vinegar and spray it on top of the baking soda. The vinegar will react with the baking soda, creating a powerful cleaning agent. You'll see it fizz, that's the magic happening. This fizzy reaction helps to break down the stubborn grease and grime. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes while you have a cuppa. This waiting period allows the mixture to penetrate and loosen the grease. After the wait, scrub gently with a sponge. You don't need to use much force. The mixture has done most of the work for you. Finally, wipe clean with a damp cloth. Boom! Sparkling stovetop. Your kitchen is now ready for your next culinary adventure. The cupboard under the sink is a black hole of cleaning supplies, am I right? Not anymore. Grab a tension rod, the kind you use for shower curtains. Install it horizontally under your sink. Now hang your spray bottles and cleaning tools on the rod. Use bins or baskets underneath to store sponges, brushes, and other cleaning bits and bobs. It's a simple trick, but it'll make your life a whole lot easier. If your garbage disposal smells like something died in it, listen up. Slice up some lemons or oranges, the more citrusy the better. Combine them with ice cubes and a few tablespoons of baking soda. Now drop this fragrant mixture into your garbage disposal and run it with cold water. It'll freshen up that stinky drain and leave your kitchen smelling divine. Are your spices scattered all over the place? Time to get organized. Grab some small magnets and attach them to the lids of your spice jars. Now, mount a magnetic strip on the wall or inside a cabinet door. Place your spice jars on the magnetic strip, and voila! You've got yourself a space-saving, easy-access spice rack. No more rummaging through cluttered drawers. Listen up, you don't want your fruits and veggies turning into a science experiment in your crisper drawer. Line the drawer with paper towels to absorb excess moisture. Store your fruits and vegetables separately to prevent them from ripening too quickly. And for heaven's sake, use breathable mesh bags instead of plastic. It'll keep your produce fresher for longer. Lazy Susans are a lifesaver in the kitchen. Place them in your pantry, your fridge, anywhere you need easy access to things. Store condiments, snacks, small jars, whatever you like on them. Just spin the Lazy Susan to find what you need. No more knocking things over in the back of the cupboard. Don't you dare throw away that used aluminum foil. Crumple it into a ball and use it to scrub stubborn, stuck-on food from your pots and pans. It's like magic. And when you're done, just toss the foil in the recycling. Easy peasy. Listen, there's nothing worse than a pantry full of unidentifiable containers. Use masking tape or printable labels to clearly mark your jars and containers. Write the name of the item and the expiration date. Organize your pantry by category so you can actually find what you need. Yes, you heard me right. Hang an over-the-door shoe organizer on your pantry or kitchen door. Use the pockets to store utensils, snacks, cleaning supplies, whatever you fancy. It's a great way to maximize space and keep things tidy. Is your microwave looking like a science experiment gone wrong? Fear not. Fill a microwave-safe bowl with water and add a few slices of lemon. Microwave on high for about 5 minutes. The steam will loosen any splatters, and the lemon will neutralize odors. Just wipe the interior clean with a cloth or sponge. Stop letting your cutting boards clutter up your cupboards. Install a file organizer or rack inside a cabinet, and slide your cutting boards into the slots for vertical storage. It's a space-saving solution that will keep your cutting boards organized and within easy reach. Need a funnel in a pinch? Don't panic. Grab a sheet of aluminum foil and fold it into a cone shape. Use it to pour liquids or dry goods into containers without making a mess. It's a quick and easy solution that will save you from spills and frustration. Don't let those fresh herbs go to waste. Chop them up and place them in an ice cube tray. Fill each compartment with olive oil or water and freeze. Now you've got perfectly portioned herb cubes ready to toss into soups, stews, or sauces. It's a flavor bomb waiting to happen. There you have it, you lot. 15 kitchen hacks that are going to change your life. Now, stop making excuses and get your kitchen in order. And if you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more game-changing content. Now go forth and cook like a pro.